Good evening everyone, I'm Alan Style and these are my pets. By the way, today is July 22, Tuesday, and so here are my pets. They're Boton, Ming, anak ni Meow, and the other two. I haven't give them name yet. They're lying down, they're sleeping at my bed. That's my bed. This video is dedicated to Todd Connor, DJ Lance Villar, Arlene Suryaga, my animal hero. Thank you. Take care. Bye.